Hello, shoutout sa inyo mga kalodi. Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Ako nga pala si Miller Ramos, OFW Sushi Head Chef. Sa video ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang madalas kong ginagawa kapag may nagbibigay sa akin ng tuna o may nabili man akong buong tuna. Sabihin na nating 1 o 2 kilo na tuna. Ano nga ba ang madalas kong ginagawa dito? Kung paano ko ito linisan o anong luto ang dapat kong gawin sa isang buong perasong tuna. Ipapakita ko sa inyo kung ano ang diskarte ko dito. Panoorin niyo po. Mga kalobi, heto na yung yellowfin tuna. Linisan na natin. Butasan muna natin sa parting tiyan. Then, putulin natin dito. Iwain na natin yung ulo.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who
Itatabi natin
patent it.
ito
Being
para sa
negative
sinigang.
when you should be getting after it.
I-fillet na natin.
I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
So mga kalodi, ang madalas kong ginagawa dito, sigang o kaya kinilaw. Dahil mahilig ako sa kinilaw.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. The consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta
Okay
make
mga
it.
kalodi,
I'm
yung
saving
tinik
every
nito
day to
itatabi
taste it. I'm
natin kasama
patient,
sa
but my mind, it
sinigang.
can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several days.
Ngayon naman mga kalodi, itatabi natin yung parting pang kinilaw at parting pang sinigang. Katulad nito, yung mga parting may itim-itim, hindi ko kinikilaw yan. Hindi ko nire-recommend sa inyo na kilawin nyo.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna
Siyempre mga
hate
kalodi,
this, I'll always show up
tatanggalin din natin
and make
yung
a
balat.
statement.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,
Kaya nang sinabi ko, ihiwalay natin yung parting maitim dahil iba ang lasa nito. Hindi to pwedeng pangkilaw. Okay mga kalodi, linisan naman natin yung ulo ngayon. So sa loob ng bituka niya mga kalodi, ang kinukuha ko lang dito ay yung kanyang puso. So mga kalodi, pagsamasamahin na natin yung mga pansigang. Ayan, gaya ng sinabi ko, kahit anong luto ang gusto nyong gawin dito. Pwedeng gataan, adobo, o kaya paksiw. Kaya ito na mga kalodi, kung napapansin nyo, nakahiwala yung pangkilaw at pangsigang. Okay mga kalodi, sana nagustuhan nyo yung ating video. Shoutout nga pala sa mga pinsan kong mangingisda dyan sa Agno Pangasinan, Ramos Family, Jemar, Ramil, at yung mga kapatid ko, Jmark Fish Dealer, at saka yung iba pang Ramos na mga fish dealer dyan. Dyan sa Ilog, Riverside. So shoutout guys sa inyong lahat. Mga kabaryo, pasupport po yung aking channel. Pag may mga YouTube channel kayo, paki-subscribe po at paki-like. So mga kalodi, kita-kits po ulit tayo sa mga susunod na video na aking gagawin. Bye-bye!
Yeah, bring you up. Yeah, come on. 그랬던 나를 왁박이게 한 건 너. 나를 거울 앞에서 서성이게 만든